That's dope.
That's dope. That's dope. What is up, everybody? It is Wednesday afternoon. You get to see my face here again. Just 2 hours and 50 short minutes since we hung out last. In that time, I just went out, hit some golf balls, practiced my chipping, my putting. I was on fire. I ate lunch with my dad. And here I am for CHARTAPALOOZA. If you don't know, I didn't do the intro. I'm Scott Melker, also known as the Wolf of All Streets. You guys, you're the Wolf Pack. If you're here, you're Wolf Pack, whether you like it or not. Welcome. Welcome, guys. And before we get started, subscribe to the channel and take your micro USB cable and plug it into the like button. Plug it right in. And if you don't do that, find this thing. I don't know what this is. I think it's my daughter's heart bracelet. And just drop that. Drop that right on to the like button. Because that's what you do. You drop it right on to the like button. But before we get started, today is a very special day. Why? Because we have a new sponsor. Right? Dydx. Dydx, new sponsor of CHARTAPALOOZA every Wednesday afternoon. You can see the information right there on the ticker. Dydx is the largest decentralized exchange in crypto. You guys might not know this. They've had days where they do more volume than Coinbase or any other centralized exchanges. Users can now trade with zero gas costs. Decentralized, it's a DEX, but you can trade with zero gas costs, cross margin, 25x leverage, and you get to earn DYDX. The more people who trade on there, the more DYDX you earn when you trade. Unfortunately, obviously not available to us in the United States. They're literally having a congressional hearing right now with 6 CEOs and executives from the biggest companies, geniuses in the crypto industry talking to Congress. I was trying to watch that in the background as we got going here. Guys, if you use the link right down below, you click on the link. It's right down below. It's a link. You get 10% off your fees if you use that link. And there are no gas fees. You get 10% off. And also, I'll show you right here. I'll just pull it up because I have their tweet right here. Hugely bigly trading competition. Their second trading competition with 250K USDC in prizes. The winner is based on the 1 week percentage P&L, and it starts tomorrow, starting tomorrow for a week. You can read the full announcement there. You just have to have $1,000 in your account. I wish I could participate. I would wreck you fools. You'd be beat up from the feet up. You would be wrecked down from the neck down if I came in. Honestly, I'd probably lose because I'm not really good at trading within a 1 week time frame. Honestly, I'd probably lose. You'd probably smoke me. A lot of you out there probably put me to shame in a 1 week time frame. Give me 10 years, I'm putting you to shame, but I don't think the trading competition is going to last that long. You guys should absolutely check out DYDX, guys. Sick. Like I said, they did more volume than Coinbase on some days. It's absolutely astounding how much they're doing. It's the feeling of having a centralized exchange, but it's decentralized. Absolutely awesome. Check them out. So what are we here for today? It's the CHARTAPALOOZA. CHARTAPALOOZA. That's not nice, Mike. I see why they named that character in Halloween after you, Mike Myers. But maybe you're actually a really nice guy, and then it's the Austin Powers guy that's named after you. Yeah. Drusified asked me if I saw the XTZ chart I sent last week. I think you emailed it to me. Didn't I respond yesterday? I had finally seen it. I finally saw it. I don't check that email too often. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Guys, we're going to do this thing right now. We're going to do it. If you're not watching me, but you're here, you are. I'm going to do this. Let's do this. Does this look cool? Do I look cool? No, it's not cool. This is better. We're going to dig into the charts. That's what we're going to do. We're going to dig into it. If you don't know why you're here, CHARTAPALOOZA every Wednesday. Paid subscribers to the Wolf Den newsletter. Paid subscribers to the Wolf Den newsletter get to make requests, and my assistant takes them. He chooses the ones that make him feel warm and fuzzy that day. He sends them over. I don't see all of them, so don't get at me, and don't start puking over here in the comments with your cash tags. Don't do that. Yeah. Oh, here, I'm going to answer this one question that I happen to see. It's a good one. Sorry I missed the live Q&A on Monday. Jason, you're forgiven. Do wash sales apply to crypto the same way it applies to legacy markets? Not as of yet, which is why you can do tax loss harvesting. What does that mean? A wash sale rule basically says that if you write off a loss, you can't buy that asset back within a month, right? Yeah, here in crypto, you can sell your entire portfolio at a loss on December 31st, buy it all back on January 1st, get the full tax break. Do it over and over again. Buy back whatever you want immediately. That talk to your accountant, but I've talked to many of them. And that's the thing. Yeah. Deep Sea knows that I'm slaving for you today. Here, let's do the slave thing. We got to get this popping. Got to get it popping. I don't even know. Let's see which sounds I've got today. I don't know. I haven't changed it. You got this one?
Congratulations.
Got this one for the crashes?
You're going down, Red Knight! Going down, down, down! Red Knight going down! Down, down, down! Red Knight going down!
Yeah, Jim Carrey. I'm going to get a whole Jim Carrey soundboard, I think. We have this, of course.
Oh, no! We suck at...
Well, and we got some others. But now let's go. We're going to get in. First, we're going to look at Bitcoin. Ain't nothing happening. Ain't nothing going on but the rent, as Gwen Guthrie might have told you for your old schoolers. One of the most sampled songs in hip hop history. Ain't nothing going on but the rent. And there ain't nothing. Yeah, we got that. No, I don't even have apparently I don't have Antoine Jackson or Twatkins or Twatkins. I don't know his name. Don't have him on there right now, but I'll get it. We'll do that one. Yeah. So here we go. Doing nothing. We're not even going to look at Bitcoin. If you want to know what's happening at Bitcoin, watch this morning's video, right? Because we had a dip, got rejected, fit right here, and now we're just ranging, and it's going to drive y'all nuts. Get over it. It's fine. Holy crap. What chart is that? All right. I have not looked at the charts. Just pulled them up. This is AAVE USDT. That's AAVE USDT with 2 A's. That's AAVE USDT. Do you ever remember those commercials like where you would I don't know why I just thought of it, but like where you'd be on like a radio commercial, it'd be like, that's 1-800 some. That is once again 1-800 some 1-800 something in your face. I don't know, whatever it is. And they would say that. They'd repeat it. So that's why I repeated that. That was weird. Here we go, AAVE. Well, now let's do it as a range. Right? Home on the range. Let's do it. Got to pull up our parallel channel tool right here. We're all just a bunch of tools. And there you go. There you go. That's happening with AAVE. And man, that looks like a appealing place to have bought if you caught it at 169.8. Right? There's a bullish SFP for now. This was a low. Swept it. Sweeping the lows, sweeping the stops, sweeping whatever you want to call, sweeping the dirt, dust under the rug. That's what we're talking about. That's it right now. That's it right now. Yeah. I want my $2 on there either right now. I want my $2. That was for the XRPPs when we were getting like $1.70. You can see how strong this channel is. Why? Look, rejection there, flipped it, rejection there. Like, see how much, look at all that resistance right there at the EQ. When you have a strong EQ, that dash line, that's that 50% line, the equilibrium, sign of a good trading range, right? So now here we are, swept the bottom. As long as this holds in the range, the target is, oh, wow, that's pretty high. 338. 338. If Bitcoin dives, this is going down, down, down. AAVE going down. Down, down, down. AAVE going down. Suck, Red Knight. Yeah, but if it holds, and below that, Nikes here, 120s, maybe even, I don't know, $100. So yeah, you want it to hold this range if you're an avid AAVer. But yeah, listen, if it comes back down to the bottom of the range, your stop would be below this. You don't want to sweep this low after you've just swept this low. So your stops would be somewhere, I don't know, 152, something like that. But really, you want to hold this range with a target of 335. I'm not buying shit right now because I don't know what the hell they're doing out here. Bitcoin is just gonna be doing it dirty, I think. Either way, if Bitcoin rips up, yikes. Bitcoin rips down, yikes. These YouTubers make these videos as if they're doing us a favor. If we didn't watch, they would have to get an actual job. Thanks, Mario. I don't consider myself a YouTuber. I think I'm just a dude who does a lot of things that happens to show up on YouTube. So I agree with you. Those YouTubers, not me though. Couldn't be me. Red Knight sucks, the big one. Oh, but yeah, that's my view on AAVE, right? Anything here above this is good. But look, I mean, you got a lot of resistance. Here, let me add some lines. These YouTubers. And they're YouTubing. I have to get a real job. Gig economy, bro. Working man's a slave. Working man's a sucker. Right? Wasn't that the movie Mo Money? Working man's a slave. Working man's a sucker. You know, this can be your job. Have at it. Yeah. Yeah. The labor shortage is all Scott's fault. Too busy trading cryptos, post YouTube videos, stupid YouTuber. Oh, man. So much YouTube on my face. So that's a good comment. Luigi's better. Luigi is better. Nobody likes red. Green's better. Luigi wears green. Mario wears red. Mario down. Luigi up. That's the view on AAVE, guys. Maybe let's put a little alarmy on that. Break that line. Maybe you say, hey, yeah, now we're going up to that mid-range. AVAX, nothing to see here. Just a bunch of higher lows and higher highs. Still looking pretty bullish. This was the entry down here. And this one, I've posted a lot of them. But there's anything above $79.80. Yeah. Any chance you could put the screen in dark mode? I can't see them. I used to use them and everybody complained that they're harder to see on the internet. But if I flip it to dark, you'll see none of my lines will show up. We'd have to change every single line, I think, unfortunately. Look, let's see. See, can't see any of my lines. So maybe in the future I can I'd have to redo all the charts. Yeah. Yeah. So I don't think I see anything wrong with AVAX here. If you want to get real cute, yeah, you wait till you flip that back. You know, maybe you can say here, maybe call it 95.89. Because right now, this is fine, but it's a little bearish consolidation-y. Decreasing volume, price kind of floating up. I don't know. I mean, these all look fine, but it's not going to matter if Bitcoin does these dirty. I don't see an entry right now. Maybe either another return to 79 or a flip of this 96 area. That's what I got. My assistant does not have access to my charts, Derek. I do this myself. And once again, I have to say hello to Stonked Up, the Bored Ape with the cool laser eyes. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah. My profile for a trading view, it's Scott Melker, I think. I've shared it. You can borrow my charts if you're in the newsletter. No problem. Okay, here we go. Cake. This is versus BUSD because cake has to be versus BUSD. That was a fake out. Let's just do this. Look. Oh, cute. Great. So this is, a lot of these are at support kind of, right? Let's call this whole area support right now, just for shits and pickles, giggles, whatever the hell you call them. Right? Let's see that. Right? Because look, there's a cluster. Price went rocketing out. Boom test, boom test, boom test, each with a higher low. It's a key area. And now we have yet another test into this area. That doesn't hold, you're looking at this kind of zone down here, right? I'm just throwing these up there. General areas. Cake. You guys didn't even notice that 1 inch ain't on the agenda today. Nobody even said anything about it. It's fine. Something like that, this area. So you want this to hold. Right now, you're at support. Support. So I don't see anything terribly bad here. Maybe if you recapture this 1633 area, it's cool. Drew came for the cake, but he stayed for the dickheads in the comments. Best site for crypto news. You're here, bruh. Got all the newses and the cryptos. It's fine. Anyways, yeah, that's my view. That line's dumb. Let's move that. Let's move some lines. I'm going to even move these around to like maybe that. Nope, I like my old line better. Yeah. But, if I was to draw like a support beyond that thing, we'd be like, here's the last swing low. So it's holding that. Another kind of bullish SFP. Not looking too bad. Watch out below if it breaks that zone. Right? Everybody's moved on from 1 inch. Finally accepted it. But DeFi chain, kind of pumping here, whatever you are. Let's erase something. I'm so sick of MAs. Get out of here, bruh. We're going to do the new on this chart. Let's look at the weekly. Got some price action here. Dang, bro. This thing ate its Wheaties. Let's go back to the daily. You ate your Wheaties, DFI. All right. So we got the all-time high here. At this point, you just want to flip that, right? Make that support. Something through here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's that good level right there, girl. Yeah, right there. Maybe something through this area. That's it. Play it between you're just dangling dirty right between these two areas right here. God, I should never look over here. Is Craig right, Satoshi? No. Everybody knows that. Dude's a walking trash bag. I'm sure he's great. Fun at parties. You know what? Look at that. Let's see. Oh, girl. That's better. All right, there's your lines and tigers and bears. Oh, my. Oh, man, this is a great question. Cable Guy is dark. It's really funny, but Ace Ventura is purely one of the funniest movies of all time. For sure. All right, I think you're between levels here. You either bought down here or you want to buy above here on DFI Bitcoin. That's it. But this is a massive move up, still major volume. Gotta love it. I think it should continue up. Dot. USDT looking like a butthole. No, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's kind of bad. We had the breakout here. That was great. We went up and then we did the ascending channel thing, broke down, retested it as resistance, and doom. I kind of wish Dot was still $55 to be real. First of all, that's Ace Ventura 2, the rhino scene. Getting kind of hot in these rhinos. And then he comes out the birth naked. Yes, of course we know Ace Ventura is filmed in Miami. It's Dan Marino, bro. Come on, man. I should do a stand-up comedy set and only shit on crypto coin names. I could do that. I feel like that's actually what we're doing. Dot, more like not. My shirt says ball, like y'all. My shirt says ball, but it's like y'all. Like a glove. Can't look at your comments. I needed to go back to one screen where I couldn't see you guys when I was charting. It's very distracting. So look, this didn't look great, right? But it bounced up here above support. 2266, I'm starting to be like a little bit of dirty pants. That's when I start to worry. For now, looks like it should come back up to 38, but it's going to just like, look at these. Everything I'm drawing, we're right in the middle. Nothing to see, nothing to do. Nothing. Oh, I saw your gun is digging into my hip. Finkel, it's Einhorn, Finkel, Einhorn. Greatest movie, man. It's a great movie. Oh, God. Okay. Dot. I don't see anything. The thing is, a lot of times, guys, there's just nothing to see. This looks like I love E-Gold. This looks like a bearish retest. Breakdown of 303 and this ascending line. This line's dumb. We can get rid of I've circled all the entries we had. They're all great. Let's see. It's a pretty savage downtrend. Pissing me off. It's not really. I don't care. We'll go back up. I mean, you want to be back above 303. I wouldn't touch this below that unless you're trying to whatever, but you're looking for this, right? Break these lines. I get back above that blue line, back above that black line, back above this black line. And for the moment, Guys, I have a huge bag of this. I tell you how it is. It looks a little bear pennant-y, so I'm just not looking right now. If you close a candle above 303, we can start talking about returning to the highs right now. Nothing to see here. Sad. EOS. For people who hate fun and coins that do good. That doesn't look that bad. Doesn't look that bad. Me, myself, and Irene. I know I rock, but I'm not made of stone. Hank. Great movie, man. Yeah. Einhorn. It's not. Oh my God. Come on, man. If you're gonna type it, laces out, Jay. Laces out. I hope Dan Marina dies of gonorrhea. Yeah. Laces out. Laces out. Laces out, not laces up. Snowflake. Yeah, I would say that this broke out, came way down for a retest, and kind of looks fine, but let's draw some new lines. Snowflake. Snowflake. That's not Snowflake. That's not Snowflake. That was that was a shark, not Snowflake, in case you're wondering. I'm just drawing some new lines here while I say stupid things about movies and stuff. This line's fine. Yeah, that's my view. Again, floating right between levels. Got to get back up. I would say you could start looking at this if you flip that. And then we just and then you come over here, and then you sign your name. Scott Melker. That was pretty good. Pretty good. If I was an artist, yeah. Why don't you drive out at saddlebags? Damn it, Jim. I'm a doctor, not a pool man. Love that movie. Yeah, so that's it for EOS. But generally, the downtrend is broken. If that makes you feel warm and fuzzy, then I don't know. Radix. Radix. EREXRD. Xrid. On KuCoin. So yeah, I don't know, man. This doesn't have much price history here. Nope. No, it doesn't. That's going to leave us wanting. I would say right there. 17 cents. And I don't know. This is dropping like mad ski. You kind of had a head and shoulders here. Look at this. Let's go into the 4 hour. I mean, dang, bro. Radix is cool, by the way. I had peers on the show once upon a time. That doesn't mean I'm not going to tell you what the chart looks like straight up. Okay, so whatever. It didn't exactly play out, but that's a pretty clear head and shoulders. Something like this would be your target. No, it's not going to go that far, I don't think. But that does put that sort of support I drew in play on the daily here, I think. All right. Let's see. Let's go back to the daily. Very head and shoulders-y. Head and shouldery. But you don't have dandruff. Exactly. Do you remember those Head and Shoulders commercials when we were young? Use Head and Shoulders, man, but you don't have dandruff. Guys, that's literally the whole point. Is like I use Head and Shoulders, guys. Yeah, you destroyed me with the Ace Ventura thing, man. Destroyed. Laces out. Yeah, maybe it comes all the way down to here. I don't know. If you really need a like reversal signal, you play this line. Breaks that. Have fun staying slightly less poor. The problem with this is, right, with this breakdown, there's no support anywhere here. It went up so fast, it didn't even leave a single clear level. Maybe here. Maybe we could like force it in right here. I don't know, man. I don't know. Hard to say when this will reverse. Maybe if you get one of these epic, huge wick bounce candles and some confirmation. But this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 daily candles in a row. You'll get some relief eventually, but I don't know, man. Oh, there's the circle. It hit it. Didn't even know that. Never got it strong on. I don't know, man. These coins look like butts. Oh, yeah. Because I use Head and Shoulders. That's why I don't have dandruff, guys. I would literally have just like sugar and salt all over my shoulders if not for the fact that I once used Head and Shoulders once. Why are the charts often look completely savage on CHARTAPALOOZA time? More like, oh no, we suck again.
Oh no, we suck.
Yeah, man. Sometimes it's just bad days, man. Where's the beef? Okay. The bad news is yuck to all of it. The bad news is the chart. Good news is it bounced at the EQ. So if you hold this 0.25 area, this looks actually kind of good, right? Looking pretty good for Hedera here, actually. So, but you want confirmation. So your target's up here around 45. But your confirmation, I think you need to break this line. If this loses this, then you start bidding down here at the bottom of the range. That's about 0.138. Hedera, H-Bar Foundation, also one of my sponsors for the podcast. Still going to tell you what their chart looks like. Looks pretty okay. That looks like a falling knife that you could have caught. So be careful. I would say you definitely don't want to go deeper than this candle now. If we get back above that, puts top of the range in sight. What you guys got going on over here? What you guys got going on? Scott, you think we need to clear out some leverage? No, I mean, unless it's been re-added. I think it got pretty, it was pretty savage. I think it's good. Calgon, take me away. Other great commercials from people my age. You guys are good. We already did that. HNT, look at that. Look at that. I showed you the target and we did it. So now I'm going to debragify and remove that. I did a podcast yesterday with Kyle Samani of Multicoin First Investors in Solana. They did the first 3 raises in Solana. I believe he said at 4 cents, 5 cents, and 20 cents, and they were the lead. So he is super freaking wealthy now. And they haven't sold any. But he was also saying that HNT is like a world-changing technology. If you guys don't know about Helium Network, you know, basically you put your little router up, you become part of this decentralized network that like people can use, and you get paid in HNT tokens. Super sweet, bro. Chart's fine. Chart's fine. I don't see anything particularly exciting. Yet again, like why? Why? I don't even think that line matters, to be quite honest with you, man. Kind of matters. Matters a little. You can't even find a level up here. No levels. Where we're going, we don't need levels. Aired extra dry. James, you're killing them right now, man, because we all remember all of these. Raise your hand if you're sure. I don't remember the song, right? Yeah, I don't see anything here. I would buy 26 again if it came down, but you just had your chance. That's the problem. I said this yesterday. You had to have the stink bids waiting for that big dip. You had to have the stink bids waiting, and if you didn't, now you're just floating in space. Lost in space. Ooh, look at that savage line, though. Woo! I drawn a good one, girl. Drawed a good one, girl. Yo quiero Taco Bell. I remember that shit. ST plunge. You guys are, yeah. I mine Helium, pretty profitable. HB is very excited. Very excited about that. Sure. Unsure. Yeah, Derek, killing it. Sure. Yeah. Here we go. Resistance. Sport. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. Got to get above that line or do not. I wouldn't touch it right now unless you get above that line. Give you some more lines down below. Right there. Oh, that's not a real thing. That's not a real thing. Either got to get above this line, really got to cross this line, don't want to go actually below that line. That's 0.010578 is the key line. I forget that some of you need me to say things out loud. Are you talking about me? Oh, no, you're talking about the commercial, the egg. This is drugs. This is your brain on drugs. Any questions? Yeah, like, why does my brain look so freaking delicious? That's what I used to think when I saw that commercial. They made the egg, and it did the perfect little thing with the eggs, like sunny side up. I'm like, I'm hungry. I want eggs. Do drugs. hot. I don't know, man. That's it. Just got these levels. You got to do the levels. That didn't happen, right? I didn't say it was going to happen. I said that's how you would trade it. And that's why you didn't. And that's good. This is ICX USDT icon. I learned it from watching you, Dad. The weed commercial of the kid. And the dad comes in. The dad looks like he's like a bald and got the hair and the mustache. And he's just like the most 80s dude ever. So good. Yeah. She got there too. Yeah, she got there too. Oh, they put cheese in it too? Man, that's crazy. Where's the beef? Oh, knowing is half the battle is G.I. Joe. I don't know if that's really a commercial. That was just the shit at the end of the G.I. Joe cartoon. I know all these references. Funny story, true story. True story, funny story about the Double Mint gum. The Double Mint twins. I grew up with them. Brittany and Cynthia Daniel. They were also then they were the ones in the Double Mint commercial who they skied together and they gave each other a high five. And then from there, they became the Sweet Valley High twins on the show Sweet Valley High. And then Cynthia went on to become a photographer, and Brittany, who I tried to date rather unsuccessfully once, she went on to be the chick in Joe Dirt and in White Chicks and all those movies. Yeah. Brittany and Cynthia Daniel, unsuccessful, but felt right. Felt like I had a chance, you know. Sweet Valley High. Yeah, it's bad. I would say that ICX looks bottomy here, actually, potentially. Oh, this is a weekly chart. What? That looks kind of tight, though. Because you could draw this other little one right here. Sweet Valley High twins, Brittany and Cynthia Daniel from Gainesville, Florida. Joe Dirt. Yeah, Joe Dirt. I mean, I don't know what you'd have to tell me what percentage of my jokes you think are poor. If you say that 50% of my jokes are poor, I'd say you've got about 73 more jokes left. And you'll get there, though. It's up to you. You could just come back and watch it later. Go watch a congressional hearing on crypto if I'm boring you too much. Right now we have a potential tweezer bottoms on the weekly at this support at $1.07. But really, I think this is trying to push through the party at $1.341 right here. That's 1.341. We're at 1.36. If it breaks that, we should be heading up to this area, 270. This doesn't look bad because those tweezer bottoms are a pretty good bottoming signal. Literally just got a text that says, yo, Melker, ? Whatever, man. Yeah, I don't know, man. Also just got a text from Joey Ivey, former NFL star and Gator standout. He just texted me too. Right here, above 136. But I can't respond to them while I'm with you. This is what you're looking for, right? That's your move. But this little tweezer bottoms, that's looking pretty sweet. I think of all these things, this looks most likely to be bottomed, but we will see. I don't know Topanga, but I was trying to know Topanga when I was young because, Boy Meets World and all that. No, that was after my time. I was more into his older brother in the Wonder Years and Winnie Cooper. New phone, who dis? That's exactly what I just did right there. Junction, what's your function? Hooking up words and phrases and clauses. I can't look at y'all's comments anymore. I'm going over here for KDA. That's a dumb line. Let's make it that one. Oh, all of a sudden we haven't broken out. It's fine. That's why TA, man, you just change it. And so maybe it's not that great. See, because look, you use the right side first. It's like reading Hebrew. You go right to left. So I'll put that line right there. Yeah, that's better. That's a better line. I would say you still need to break this blue line or buy down here at 830 if it drops. Otherwise, here's your horizontal. This is the support that broke. Became resistance twice, $14.73. You got to flip this blue line, then you're back to $28. Heaven. See you in heaven. Sweet. That was KDA. Kadena. Tony Danza is the boss. Dr. Pepper, man. That was a good commercial. Rafael Espanol. Name so good, you had to write it twice. Glad you're not friends. Oh, wait. Someone just made a Rex Grossman joke. I would literally, if I could right now, I would go into my closet, but it's all the way over there, and I would show you my Rex Grossman jersey. He's awesome. 9.46% of your jokes are poor. That's a pretty good hit rate. All right. Link. Oh, God. Link Bitcoin. Look, it finally got a 200 MA on the weekly. It's been trading for over 200 weeks here on Binance. Bitcoin pair. Bouncing right off it, too. Oh, my God. It's the bottom. We're going to be so rich. Link BTC. I don't really know, man. Let's look at the daily. That weekly is still the line, though. That is. And this is, oh, look, we already did some things on the daily. And that was a key level, and now we're getting rejected. Nobody likes to get rejected. Somebody just had something to say. More TA, less chat, please. All right, man. If you want to see it, you want the ass too, or just the tits? Hey, all right. So Link, I'm going to zoom out on Link. This guy wants more TNA, guys. Doesn't want me to talk. Less foreplay. Less foreplay for whoever that was. For Daniel O'Hearn. It's weird. Got weird. Just got weird. Didn't mean for it to be weird. Got super weird, though. Yeah, I mean, Link just like whatever. Weekly also kind of has a tweezers, I guess. I don't know, man. If we zoom in on the daily, if you had said more T, less A, we would have known what kind of guy you really are. Talk less, do more charts, slave. Do the charts, slave. All right, I'll tell you, this is bad. It's like, this is like, yeah, okay. So the daily, this is a nice candle. Dip through it, but there's a nice reversal and nice movement up, and actually volume's increasing here. So I'm not gonna poo-poo on the Linky parade right now. But I would say this black line is very significant on the daily. If we really zoom in here, something like here. Yeah, here's a line. Where'd it go? Where did it go? My eyes. Right through here. So maybe if you get above 0.0004674 and above that 50 MA, then you can start talking. Otherwise, reactionary bounce. Ooh, son, we got MATIC and it's just doing that thing. Ryan wants a TNA from Janet Yellen. She's a great technical analyst. You know what I'm saying? Why is Janet always yelling? Yeah, I mean, MATIC just looks great. MATIC just looks good, man. Look at all these lines. There were so many times that we were doing lines down here because look at that too. Hugely volume increase the last few weeks. Major bigly. Yeah, here you go. I'm rich, bitch! I bought it 19. Am I fucked? 19 what? Who bought 19 what? Oh, Horsebane's here again. I think this looks just great. I don't know, man. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high. Just going. What's the MATIC USDT chart look like today? Probably just still going. Doesn't even know there's a correction. Why didn't anybody tell him? So embarrassing when it's like he doesn't even know. It's embarrassing. Yeah, MATIC looks like it just wants to go up. Honestly, if you can catch it at 0.00004252 here and another retest of this level, we're gonna go up. NEXO. On to the next hoe in life. Yeah, I mean, this was booming. And I don't know if y'all saw this, but they just did. Fibbo Swanee says next fib target 299 on MATIC. Have fun staying rich. Have fun staying rich. Yeah, ZK. I literally tweeted this yesterday as a joke. I was like, NFT summer, metaverse fall, ZK winter. ZK snarks, roll-ups, guys. ZK roll-ups. Look it up. It's the next wave. It's next wave. How we save Ethereum and friends by making the block space larger by decreasing the size of the information. Ooh, Polygon Summit tomorrow. Oh, great. Now we got to short it. Nexo, I would say above that line is super sweet. This is toppy. I'm going to be honest. I'm not saying it's topping, but that's toppy. I'd almost bet that there's a bear div at the top of that. Of course there was. Of course there was. Yeah, I don't love that. I don't love it. I don't love that it lost this line, got rejected. I think this has a little more downside in it. Got a little more downside in it. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of a thing, right? Stop. Like Avicii said, there's your levels. Rest in peace. Now you know. Yo, slick, blow. Bearbiv DeVoe would be a great like knockoff name for a technical analyst. Really good. Yeah. And then the other, my favorite other one, if you see this, like for not for a rap name, maybe for like a porn nickname, like this would be a good Twitter name, Horizontal Ray. Right there. See him? Horizontal Ray. Can be Horizontal Ray. There he is, the lead singer of Bearbiv DeVoe. Now you know. Yo, slick, blow. It's driving me out of my mind. That's why it's hard for me. I don't see anything on Nexo. Polls. I told you I was selling up here. I told y'all I love Polkastarter. Daniel, CEO of Polkastarter, hit me up yesterday. I was like, I saw you were selling, bro, but thank you for the mention. That was cool, and you were very honest. Yeah. I'll tell y'all what I'm doing. Internet thinks that we're all lying out here. No matter what we do, it's a lie. Yeah, I sold some. Still looks great. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, all the way up. But like when I get a 50% pump on a Coinbase listing, I sell some. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. Holding that 50 MA right there. That looks good. That's hot. That's what's up. But now I think you got to get back above 451 and hold it. Really, honestly. Either you're looking to buy back here at like 250 or you're looking for this move. Back to $8, man. I can't imagine. This thing was $7.85. What a time to be alive. Those are the ways I'd approach this. You know, you're looking for this. If you get this, then you might be looking at this. See? You just play the levels, guys. You don't need to be like, if it's going to make you rich or poor, just play the levels. RUNE. Thorchain. We don't need that line. I didn't think. Look, man, look, I got fibs. Pulled some fibs. Fibbies. We got fibby with it. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Getting fibby with it. Let me see something because I think I see something. Oh, I see something. Look at that. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Just clean it up. Don't mean to remove the fibs and insult anyone whose name might be fib, whose identity might be fib related. Not saying there's anyone here whose identity is slightly okay. This is not working anymore. Yeah, something like that. I don't know, man. There's your low, you know, alternating touches, low, high, higher, low, higher, high. It's just this really slowly ascending channel. Now that we found love, what are we gonna do with it? Not originally Heavy D, but popularized by Heavy D. That's the jam. 1, 2. What are you going to do? Those are red and vice are blue. I used to know every word to that song too. Spread over your love, you lose heavy in the middle. And we go to school. She plays school, and I schooled her, and went a little loud. Talk like this. We can toss and turn, rumble, tumble, and twist. Yeah. I love that song. That bass line. Yeah, I mean, listen, RUNE, I think it'll probably come down and bounce off this and then head back up. Tough chart, to be quite honest. TBH, kind of a tough chart. Clearly, that was a mega rejection with like 3 bearish SFBs right there. Got these lows. That's how I would look at the chart. Do with that what you may. I don't see an entry. Do you see an entry? I don't see an entry. Is this fib shit real? Fifson, I love how you keep it real with the way you talk. Yo, son, I've been seeing these fibs, son. They real, son? You should name your... You know what? Until you rename yourself Fibson Horsebane, we will not answer that question. But yes, it's real. They work because that's where people put their orders. It's where people put their orders because they see the fibs and then they do the fibs and the fibs. Sand USDT. Well, this went up a lot. Don't love it here at the top. We know there was bearish divergence. I told you guys. I literally said metaverse hype going to end here for a little while, that we're going to see a retrace. I didn't know the whole market would correct, but that's what I was looking at. I don't know. I know, but I thought we were at the top, and I was like, mana and sand and all the metaverses, they look toppy. Had their pump. Time to chill, right? So there you go. There's your downtrend. I would literally say don't buy this unless it breaks this line. And if you're a supply and demand type person, here's your support. You should be looking at, which has already been penetrated one time. Not so deeply penetrated. Let's see. Actually, let me fix that. Right there. There's your first tap. Get rid of, clean some of this up just for shits and giggles. You know what? We're even get rid of that. Oh, no. I locked my screen. Did you guys see that? What happened? Did you see it? There's a button right next to delete that locks my screen. Seems bad. All right. There's your demand. Resistance down here. If you're looking for the next level of likely demand, I don't know, something like this. If it drops somewhere down here. Somewhere down now. Donna Summer. Summer Donna. I DJ'd with Donna Summer once. True story. It was a dude. He was like the head of Southern Wine and Spirits, I want to say, in Miami. And it was his wife's like 50th birthday or 60th or 40th. I don't know. He literally at a full-on venue in Miami. I DJ'd, and then he had Donna Summer, and she like did her whole tour performance. She wasn't like, I won't show up and sing a song. Like, I'm on tour. We're bringing like everybody. She brought like the 40 people, and they set up her full stage and show and lighting and everything. And I like stood there for a Donna Summer concert. After that, she died. But that was cool, though, when she was not dying. I don't see any reason to enter sand right here. That's your answer. These charts. Solana, I don't know, man. Stop asking me the hard questions. Guys, these charts are doo-doo right now. A do-do-do, a da-da-da is all I want to say to you. That was a hit song. That was an actual hit song by people. I mean, it was cool when she wasn't dying. It was Donna Summer, man. Emmy was there with me. Oh, you guys can't see my charts? This is whack. Hold up. Why don't y'all tell me? I didn't know that when I closed the thing got closed. Which chart did you see the last? Whatever. We're going to keep going with Solana because there was butthole all fuck all nothing to see on sand. I'll open sand again, though. Was it sand that was last? Or was it sand? Let me see. Let me go back to the chat. I got sand, sand, right? All you missed was sand. Is that correct? God damn it. Sand is doing jack shit. Do I really have to show you again? I'll show you again. Here's your cool chart on sand, guys. Boring. Look, take it in. Drink it in by Solana. Doing nothing. Rejected right here. Got to get above that line. That's 0.0042387. I bought Solana at 117. God damn it. Daniel wants to see more TNA is now talking about sand in my butt. So I guess we've clarified that you are the A guy and not the T guy. Nothing here on Solana. Keep going. Sushi USDT, so depressing. There was this ascending triangle here. This was a buy at $12. Oh, no. That was a trade I posted right there at $12. It went to 13.5 and then you should have exited right here. 10.90. I did. Lost some money. Lost some of my sweet, sweet, precious monies. Yeah. Dude, you've been in here yelling about vaxes a lot. I noticed that earlier. Chill that shit out. Chill that shit out. Vaccine's fine, man. If you don't want it, don't get it. Don't yell in my face. Don't come on my stream yelling about vaccines. Sue shit, someone just said. That's accurate. Dave with the Sue shit. Sush it. Sue shit. Pretty whack. Pretty whack. Oh, man, you're getting blocked. Say goodbye. Actually, I'll put you in timeout, Final Frontier. I'm not going to block you. I'm just going to let you think about what you did. I know you're going to be back in 5 minutes with that shit and know that you'll be gone for good. Just know that. Yeah, man, sushi, man. And it lost like even like the low. Yo, low. I don't know, man. I can't mess with sushi right now. Not even looking at it. Unless you're a knife catcher. Someone asked for a chart of total market cap. Can't really chart it, honest. I'll tell you that if you want it back above $2.57 trillion. Want to get it right back up to my bank account level, you know, because I'm pretty rich like that. Just had a little allergy attack hit me. I want the vaccine, but afraid of needles. What do? I would say be less of a pussy. Not trying to be a dick, but like close your eyes and I don't know, fucking think of a happy place. Pull a Happy Gilmore and imagine yourself drinking beer with the chick in the grass in her lingerie. You know that chick from Happy Gilmore? You know, that's the mom from Modern Family. Mom from Modern Family. I mean, I understand being afraid of needles. I'm not mocking you, but also be less of a pussy. Maybe. I would say total market cap, we got to get back above 2.5 trillion. Vet. Well, that was bad. This was good. Hooked y'all up at 9. If you didn't love me at 9 cents, you can't have me at 15 cents, guys. Yeah. Yeah, just close your eyes and imagine that it's I don't know, like a what would you imagine if you didn't want it to be like a very attractive woman's finger poking you on the Wow, where are you from, man? Fibbo Swanee, where are you from? Where are you from? Tell me. It feels like you're from like, I know, you're backwoods of Kentucky or something, but like you say Florida shit all the time. The butterfly, that's old. Let me see the Tootsie Roll. They used to Tootsie Roll like crazy. Yeah. That chick was hot, dude. You literally got so excited that you couldn't even spell or do words. Yeah, I mean, right now, Vet has to get back up above 9.5 cents, right? This is kind of looks like bearish consolidation under this. Like these should be bottomed, man. Look at that drop. It's savage. This went down from 18 to 7. Big drop. But again, maybe you were going to bid here, you know, and you caught it. And that's cool because you're already in profit, but you're not buying it right here. Stupid. XTZ, we looked at this earlier. Breakout, retest, like, yo, that's perfect. Great. Looks great. Target's up here. What it'll probably do is come down and make some sort of inverse head and shoulders and make us look stupid. This looks great. Breakout, retest, should head up. ZEC, BE, BTC. I don't know, man. Let's go on the weekly things. I don't know, man. These charts are just like, maybe it's me. Maybe it's me. It's not you. It's me. But I can't find anything on these. Yeah, I mean, guys, we just had like of course, most coins are struggling because, like I said, we had an epic drop the other day. It's going to take like weeks for the charts to reset and let us see what the hell is going on. From northern Indiana, close to Chi-town, now in Kentucky, grew up with DJ friends. That makes sense. Are you like middle of Kentucky? Are you like the Cincinnati part of Kentucky? That's kind of confusing because it's really Cincinnati. Are you from Louisville? Louisville? ZEC, man, I don't see anything here. I'm capitulating right now. Tension deficit. Popping up. Popping, locking, and dropping. Pop, lock, and drop it. Pop, lock, and drop it. I did like a crazy remix with pop, lock, and drop it. I'll look this shit up and let y'all hear it. Part of my... Was it? I can't remember, though. I can't remember which one it was on. Hold up. Can't remember. I'm searching for it. It's awesome. Yeah, I don't know, man. Maybe it was on this one. Oh, you can't hear that. We didn't want you to hear that. Where's the playlist, though? View full playlist. Nah, yeah, I don't remember which one it's on. It's on the Melker project too, but I don't remember which track. Dope though. You'd be jealous. You should hear it. I don't know. Does it? All right, I got distracted. Guys, that's all the charts. I got super distracted. I'll play that for y'all another time. You know? Oh, there, DYDX. Join their thing. Can you draw triangles for loop ring? Nah. No, I can't. Yeah, I was looking for something and literally like forgot I was live streaming there for a minute. How's Emmy doing? Haven't seen her around for a while. She's still keeping an eye on you. She was around this morning. Right now, she's in a commercial. She's like being filmed, and they asked me to go, and I was like, nah, I don't care about your local Gainesville, Florida something commercial, and also I got people to talk to on the internet, so I didn't go. She's like doing a commercial thing right now. Yeah, all my old mixtapes are actually dug down deep on this YouTube channel, but you can also find it all on SoundCloud somewhere. Let me see, SoundCloud. My SoundCloud got taken down. This was like my burner SoundCloud over here. I never even like bothered to fix it or like whatever. But like, there's bajillions of songs here. You guys can't see this, can you? Oh yeah, you can. Cool. Yeah, this is all. I had hundreds of tracks on my SoundCloud. I'm not signed in, so this is actually what my SoundCloud apparently looks like. I'm signed in, you'll see hundreds and hundreds. But yeah, I had a lot. But it's all on my YouTube, buried somewhere. I would say somewhere. Melker Project 2 was the one I was looking for, but now I can't find it. I don't remember which song it was on. Probably somewhere in here. That was dope, though. If you haven't heard my mixtapes, your life is bad. Just saying. Never heard me scratch? Can't even hear it. It's coming through the computer. That was cool. I'm going to play that. Wait, hold up. You guys can leave if you want, by the way. It's fine. I'm not going to be mad at you. Chrome tab. This. Share sound. That was cool, dude. That was I got my scratch on to some Steve Miller. What?
Every time the beat drop,
I could tear those turntables up here, right?
Every time the Yeah.
I can't find it now. Can't find what I'm looking for. I don't expect you to sit here
I get it crump
and do this. Oasis, Africa, some beat. I'm crushed, bro. I crushed. Anyways, y'all can listen to that shit on your own. I got things to do, places to be, people to do, and things to something, man. So I meant to say Oasis, Wonderwall. It was Verve that was on with Black and Yellow. Y'all know, whatever, man. Yeah. Little John, and it's an interesting day. Have fun. Yeah, I wish I could find that, but honestly, my brain doesn't even remember my own shit. Guys, Dydx 250K contest, new sponsor. Click the link. They're awesome. I will see you back tomorrow in the morning. Yeah, I was a hell of a lot better at DJing than I am at this shit. I'll tell you that. I could do things y'all can't even imagine. I'd be up there with like 3 turntables and like a Ableton controller, like doing like 97 things at a time. That's why I'm so good at these buttons right here. Yeah, y'all, that's it. We out of here. We done. We done. We done. Peace. We done. We done. We done. We done. We done.
That's all.